All right, so for today, super quick lesson. If I give you y equals 2x squared, do you get that that has changed the y's? The y's are twice as big as they used to be. Look at it. Y equals 2 times what it used to be. So that means the y's all got bigger. That's not a move up. That's called a stretch. And it's on the outside, so we call it a vertical stretch. So how you would answer for tonight's homework would be that, Mr. Server, is a vertical stretch, and I am okay with abbreviations. V stretch is fine. And then you'd say factor 2, and if you want to abbreviate factor as F2, I could live with that. That's a vertical stretch, factor 2. Let's look at another one like that. Let's say I had y equals 1/2 on the inside, x, and then it's squared. Well, it's on the inside. I thought I've tried you not trust the things on the inside. So it's horizontal because that's on the inside, but it is not a shrink like you'd assume. It seems like it'd be half as big. No. What is it? Twice as big. So we first say horizontal, so H. And then if it's going to get twice as big, that's not a, was it a stretch or a shrink then? It's just a stretch. Horizontal, STR, with a factor, I'll let you say F, of not 1/2, can't trust it, 2. Horizontal stretch, factor 2. All right, let's say you had one like this. Absolute value, it's got a 3 here, x minus 1, absolute value. All right, it's got two things going on. You guys remember what that means? To the what? That goes to the right. That is a stretch or a shrink. Be careful. It's a shrink. You don't trust the things on the inside. Seems like a stretch. It's not a stretch. It's a shrink. What kind of a shrink? Horizontal or vertical? Isn't it on the inside? Now, I know some of you get confused about the inside. There's bars around it here. That means it's on the inside. I know there's another thing even further inside, but they're all on the inside. So this is horizontal on the inside, and it's not a stretch. It's a shrink. And it's factor of what? No, I can't trust the inside. 1/3. Horizontal shrink with a factor of 1/3. All right. We are going to talk more tomorrow about what this actually means on what the pictures look like. So tomorrow's lesson will be much more robust. But there you go, 3-minute lesson.